Well, today's April 2nd, and I gotta laugh. It's always something. So I got it warm in here. Everything dried up. I've got the second panel on here, looking really good. I was ready to install the center section. Had the glue all ready and measuring when I noticed this part is defective. I don't know if you can see this, but it comes here and then it tapers to nothing and then it comes down here. You see the other side? We've got a nice rim, goes all the way up. This side, you can see it's got a nice rim to about right here. And it's all chopped off. And you come down here and you can see where there was the remnants of a rim. So, this is a crucial piece. This is where water comes. I'm going to have to send it back. So anyway, so much for trying to get this all done today. Just another thing to deal with.